Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I came here with a new session called root words. Okay, so in this video today we are going to discuss the first and very most important lesson of root words. Okay, that is called end and endo. Means the session will be based on end and endo. So in this session we are going to discuss some words being formed using end and endo. What does it mean? What does it end and endo mean actually? End and endo means actually within. Okay, within means something inside. So let's begin. The first word is endobronchial. Endobronchial. What is endobronchial? Bronchial, something which is related to lungs actually. So within the cavity of the bronchus. Bronchus means related to lungs, or we can say that something which is within the cavity. Cavity means like hollow portion of the bronchus or lungs. Okay, something which is hollow, which is inside the hollow portion of the lungs, or we can say that something within the cavity of a bronchus. Okay, next endocardial. Cardial, something related to heart, like a cardiologist. You all know what is who is cardiologist means the one who treats cardial, or we can say heart related problems, like some doctors who are specialized in cardial problems, like they are known as cardiologists. So endocardial means within the heart. Okay, so next is endochrome. Chromes is something which is related to colors, like monochrome means single color. Here endochrome means coloring matters within the cell. What does it mean actually? Coloring matters within the cell means like if you see some plants, they are green in color. Leaves of the plants are green in color because of the endochromic tissues, or we can say coloring matters within the cell of the plants. Okay, something which is coloring matter. Okay, next endocrine. Next word is endocrine. Endocrine is related to endocrinal glands. Okay, some kind of any internal secretion. um, Actually, like in our body, some kind of secretion is being done by endocrinal glands. As you all know, is if you go through like biological terms, in digestive system, you can also find out some kind of endocrinal glands that secrete some kind of juice or liquid. We can say that some hormones are being released or secreted from endocrinal glands. So endocrine means any internal secretion. Okay, next slide is endocrinopathy. Okay, here it is written endocrinopathy means disorder of the endocrine gland. Some kind of some problems related to endocrinal glands are known as endocrinopathy. Okay, pathy means some kind of disorder. Okay, uh, okay, endocrinology. Logy, here Logy. Logy means study, and here it is written science of endocrine gland. Science means study. Study of endocrine gland is known as endocrinology. Okay, I hope you all getting it. Next, endogamy. Gamy is something which is related to marriage. As you all know, I have taught you earlier in offline classes or online sessions. Some words were given, like polygamy. Poly means many, gamy means marriage. It's one who does more than one marriage is known as polygamy. Okay, means many marriages. Means like a practice, they used to practice more than one marriage. Okay, but here gamy means marriage, but endo means within. Okay, so marriage within a legal group. We can say if someone marries to someone who is from his or her same caste or religion, that is legal group. So endogamy. Okay, the next one is endoparasite. What is endoparasite? Actually, parasite is something living inside our body. Okay, As you all studied in the biology section, I think tapeworm, ringworm, these are the examples of parasites. So endoparasite means something inside our body. Okay, something living inside our body. Okay, let's move on to the next one, the membrane. Okay, Endorhacis. Okay, Endorhacis means the membrane lining in the spinal cord, where spinal canal it is written. It means where a place where spinal cord is there. Okay, so the membrane lining in the spinal canal where spinal cord is being placed, so that portion is known as endorhacis. Okay, the next word, sorry for the, actually I am not that much good in my health. Okay, let's move on to the next word, endopsychic. Endopsychic means developing within the psyche. Psyche means some kind of behavior, or we can say personality. So endopsychic means developing within the psyche, means developing someone's personality from inside, actually, not from the appearance but inside. That is known as endopsychic. Endoscope, I think you all know endoscopic or endoscopy. It is a kind of instrument. It is a kind of tube like instrument, from in which on the one end a camera is being placed, and the other end the receiver is being placed. So doctors use that tube like instrument. They put inside your food pipe and go to the stomach and see what is the issue or the problems in the stomach. So that is known as endoscopy, or we can say endoscope. Okay, that instrument is known as endoscope. Endosepsis. What is endosepsis? So internal rotting away of fix like fruits, vegetables, and all. So sometimes you see a fruit, you get a fruit that looks very fresh and good, ready to eat, but whenever you cut it open, it shows your its reality, like it being rotten from inside. So endosepsis means internal rotting away of figs, or we can say fruits and vegetable and stuff. Okay, next is endogeny. Endogeny means growth from inside. Okay, one second. Endogeny was here, and this one is, okay, yeah, growth from inside. And I think this word may come twice. I think endogeny, I have taught you all endogeny. What does it mean actually? Growth from within. Within means within your personality and all. Okay, endoral. Endoral means within the mouth. Actually, there is a word called oral. You can easily read it out. Oral means related to mouth. So endoral means like within within the mouth. Or oral, you can say that oral cleaning, you go to dentist for your oral cleaning, or every day you used to do that oral cleaning. It means you clean your oral part or mouth. Okay, endogastric. Gastric, you all are familiar with this word gastric, something which is related to stomach. Okay, so relating to the inside of the stomach, that is known as endogastric. Okay, and if there is a problem inside your stomach, and that term will be known as endogastric. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next word, that is endostil. Okay, endostil. Endostil means within the bone. Bone means like whenever you try to figure it out, like what is inside the bone, or some kind of problems, or biological issues, or we can say that that is bone marrow inside the bone. If we have any problem in that cavity or part, that is known as something which is related to that part, that hollow part, or we can say bone marrow part, that is known as endostele. Okay, the next word is endothermy. Okay, in the endothermy, thermal means heat. Okay, so surgical production of heat within the tissues. What does it mean? Actually, while doing operations, or we can say surgeries, doctor try to stop bleeding. Okay, they try to stop bleeding, and to do that they have to they have to produce heat within the tissues so that the bleeding will be stopped. So this process is known as endothermy. Okay, the next word is endophagy. Phagy is something related to eating. Okay, eating what? So that is the meaning of cannibalism within the family or tribe. Within the family or tribe, there is a tradition of eating someone own member, like member of the family, they are being eaten by other members of the family, like cannibalism. What is cannibalism? It came from cannibal. The word cannibal means eating human flesh. Okay, someone who is used to of eating human flesh. So we can say that cannibalism means a tradition of eating human flesh, and endophagy means a process of eating a family member's flesh by another family member in a tribe. Okay, this is practiced in a tribe. This is impossible for us, but it is being practiced in some kind of tribe. Okay, endotoxin means toxin. Actually, sometimes a toxin of internal origin, like some kind of, you have your body tries to protect your body try to protect you from the other elements which are dangerous for our body. Okay, so in that case, a toxin of internal origin, some kind of toxin products are being secreted or being used to protect our body from inside. Okay, that is known as endotoxin. Endotrophic means nourished from within. Endotrophic means nourished means being taken care from inside or within the body. Okay, I hope you all understood and enjoyed the video. So this was our last slide. So I thank you all for watching the video, and if you like our videos, then do subscribe and share within your friends. And if you want to if you have not subscribed yet, then go and subscribe, and don't forget to press on bell icon so that you'll be informed. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.